Nature Conservation Day. So we are going to celebrate Amar Jyoti Saraswati International School with association of Heritage Club Bhavnagar. This is very old concept to conserve nature. आपको पता होगा शायद एक महाभारत का एक एग्जाम्पल है कि जिसके अंदर पांडव जब वनवास में थे तो खाना बनाने के लिए युधिष्ठिर ने कहा कि लकड़ी लेके आओ, तो भीम अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज माइट एंड पावर इतनी सारी लकड़ियाँ, इतने सारे पेड़ उठा के आ गया, रख दिया। तब युधिष्ठिर उनको कहते हैं कि ये क्या किया, कि नेचर ने हमें जो दिया है उसका जुडिशियस यूज होना चाहिए।
How's everyone? How many of you have been to Hathab before? How many know about Hathab's history? All the hands are down. Okay, so how many know about Bhavnagar heritage? So we have heritage walks, we have our heritage volunteers, interpreters who have also come here very nicely on a Saturday morning. So thank you. And basically our focus with Bhavnagar Heritage has been to raise awareness in Bhavnagar with regards to heritage. This doesn't just mean your old houses or buildings, but it's also nature. So natural heritage is an important part of what we have and what we leave behind also for the next generation. So Hathab similarly has a very, very rich history. How many people know when Bhavnagar was founded? One of the interpreters can.
It was in 1723, early in 1800s we can.
So 1723 Bhavnagar was founded. When was Hathab discovered? Anybody? So Hathab dates back to almost 2000 years old. Okay. So the Archaeological Survey of India. Who all know about the Archaeological Survey of India? What is an archaeologist? Chalo, I'll start from the beginning.
Well, a person who discovers and researches about old things, artifacts.
Old things, artifacts. So you must have seen Indiana Jones, the movie. So you're discovering hidden things from under the ground. So like that, in India we have a government organization called Archaeological Survey of India. And they protect all the monuments, all the old structures that have some kind of a historic importance to them. So there are different states have different archaeological departments. So the Archaeological Survey of India, Baroda, had organized an excavation. So where they were digging underground to understand the history of Hathab. And they found these coins and they found seals all dating back to 3000 years. A lot of them dating to the Brahmi script. So the Brahmi script is one of the oldest texts, as many of you must be studying Indus Valley Civilization syllabus, right? So the Brahmi script, like what they discovered, had inscriptions and written work in the Brahmi script. And then they started doing more research and they realized that actually there was a lot of trade at that point happening between Greece and Hathab. So there is a Greek ancient book called Periples, and in that ancient book, Hathab's mention is there. So you can imagine how old this entire area is and what a rich history we have been passed down with, right? So this nature that we are all trying to preserve today is part of that. So it's important for us to preserve it. Also, if we go later on, there was a ruler here called Mokraji who ruled here in the 1300s. I don't know if any of you all have heard of him. So he also ruled here in 1300, and if you read about him, I won't bore you right now, but if you read about him, there's a lot of history there as well. So Hathab is a very old historic town, and there was a lot of flourishing trade here. So this was a trade center, continuous till when Bhavnagar was founded in 1723. And then Bhavnagar, of course, was also a trade town. Water supports us with Alang as the shipbreaking yard, right? So the water and nature has always supported the people of Bhavnagar. So I really hope you all today decide to keep your places clean, keep your surroundings clean, and safeguard the natural heritage of Bhavnagar. Okay? Thank you.
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रहे।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको, अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको।
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको,
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर।
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
जागी रे, जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी रे,
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा,
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है,
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी रे,
ओ स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
सूरज को स्नान कराना है, धरती को भी नहलाना है, जो मन से निकले उमड़ घुमड़ उस नदी को आज बहाना है। स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
जागी रे, जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी रे,
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, दमक दम दम दम